Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pass the AP Government exam using an easy method. This approach simplifies your preparation, making the process less daunting and more effective. We will cover the exam structure, essential content areas, and proven study techniques. By following these straightforward steps, you can confidently approach the test and achieve a strong score. Let's dive into how to master the AP Government exam with ease. The AP Government exam is divided into two main sections. First, you'll tackle 55 multiple-choice questions in 80 minutes, testing your broad knowledge. Following that, the free response section presents 4 questions over 100 minutes, requiring more in-depth analysis. These two parts are equally weighted, each contributing 50% to your final score. Understanding this structure is your first step toward success. To study effectively, establish a consistent schedule, aiming for at least 1 hour of focused review each day. Practice exams are invaluable for pinpointing your strengths and weaknesses, guiding your study efforts. Regularly review essential vocabulary and landmark Supreme Court cases, as these are frequently tested. Employ active recall methods, like flashcards or self-quizzing, to solidify your understanding and improve retention of complex concepts. On exam day, read every question thoroughly before selecting an answer. For the multiple-choice section, aim to spend approximately 1 minute per question to stay on track. When tackling free response questions, quickly outline your main points to ensure a clear, comprehensive, and well-organized response. Prioritize answering the questions you feel most confident about first, which can boost your momentum and overall performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.